guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you going today? It is the 1st of April today as I am filming this. It's been some time since I've done a favorites video, so I thought, let's do one. So what I'm gonna do is a few makeup items, mainly makeup items, and then move on to beauty and then some fashion as well. I just wanna try and make these favorites videos a bit more versatile. I like maybe change it up a little bit every month, include a few random things or whatever. But yeah, let's get into it. At the start of March, my gorgeous friend Jacob released a lash line called Bouquet Beauty. These lashes are the Naomi lashes. I know they're floating around in their little case, but I used these in a makeup tutorial that I filmed. I can't remember what it was called. Oh, it was the Soft Glam ABH Amrezy highlight video. So I'll have that link down below. But I used these for the first time, and I have also used them when I went to Banff, and I got so many compliments on these lashes. So again, these are the Naomi style. They are beautiful. We had a sale over Easter, 20% off, and I think the Naomi's are nearly gone. These lashes are so beautiful and fluffy, and they're really comfortable, surprisingly. Sometimes, like, you know, the bigger lashes, so these are faux mink lashes. They're 3D. Sometimes big lashes can be quite uncomfortable. These ones were completely fine. Like, of course it feels like you're wearing lashes, but they weren't uncomfortable whatsoever. So I just wanted to mention these, and I just wanted to say, Jacob, I'm so proud of you. These are so beautiful, and I just love these. The next thing that I want to mention is the Benefit Professional Agent Zero Shine powder. I know it doesn't look like a powder, but you open it up and then you turn it open and pour the powder in there. It does come with a little brush, but I don't use it. I just use it with a sponge. But this literally makes your under eyes, like you use it as I bake underneath my eyes with it usually. It makes them look flawless. It will not crease. It fills in your pores. It looks beautiful, and I haven't used a powder like this before, and it is, it's life-changing. Like, I only use it for, like, you know, special events or things when I want to look good. I don't use it day-to-day use because it doesn't come with a whole heap of products compared to a powder like this, which you can use every day and you're not going to run out of for a long time. This one, it doesn't have, what does it have? 7 grams. 29 grams. So it is something that I kind of use sparingly for special occasions, but it's nice to have that powder that I know I can rely on for special occasions, and it's gonna make me look fabulous. It's another Benefit product. It's one of their new releases, the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Bit of a love-hate relationship, and I feel like a few people have a love-hate relationship with this. It is super black. It goes on amazingly. It makes your lashes look so thick, so long and beautiful, and again, it's super black. It's great. The only thing that I don't like is it comes off up here on me during the day. It transfers. I do have oily skin, so during the day, when my oils come out on my skin, it does transfer, but the short-term use kind of thing, it's, ugh. I even wear it every day, like, let's be honest, I just halfway through the day wipe it off, melt it into my skin. Yeah, I do really love this mascara. Just the formula is very different to something else. Like, it's wet, but it's not too wet, and I think my lashes have only clumped maybe once when doing it, and I might have gone a little bit overboard, but it's a beautiful product and I do really love it. Oh, this product I just tried actually the other week, and it's so good. This is a blurring primer from Cover FX. I got it in the Sephora haul that I did a few weeks ago. It's amazing. It is so nice. I'm still experimenting with how much to use because I use a bit and I think that that's enough, and then I always go in for a bit more. It's like a skin colored one, and it's a, you know, a smoothing silicone based primer, but it makes my makeup last really well, and I just really love this product. It's something obviously that I'll need to keep experimenting with, but I feel like it's my favorite primer at the minute. Now this is a really, really weird product. You remember that Jaclyn Hill makeup tutorial that I filmed, and I used the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer? This is in the color Fair, and I said in the tutorial, I'm like, I hate this concealer. It creases on me, it looks terrible. She's using the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. I really don't like the concealer. Mine just creases like nothing else on me. And I used it and I'm like, this isn't too bad. it's okay. And I've been using it ever since. Like, I mean, obviously not every day, but I've been using it a lot since. And I don't know, maybe I didn't bake back then, but I bake every day with a translucent powder and it sets it perfectly. It has a really good coverage. It hasn't creased on me when I bake. Like, this is the most surprising thing. When I was looking through my drawer, I'm like, what concealer have I been using a lot lately? And it's this one. It took me by surprise. And I really love the applicator. It's a doe foot one, but it's one of those like double doe foot applicators, and it's nice and bendy and it's just really comfortable, you know what I mean? Okay, I've got two beauty products. The first one is this Sand and Sky Pink Clay Mask. Now, I did a video for them, when was it? Back in November, I think it was. And I used this for the first time. I use this mask all the time. It's like, it's so nice. You can see that it's like it's not really pink. It's kind of like a mauvey kind of color, but it is, oh my gosh, it smells really good. This leaves my skin looking freaking amazing, like literally so good. I have not used a mask that's made my skin look that fabulous so quickly. I leave it on about 10 minutes. I really do love this product. I love that it's Australian too. I think that's really cool. All right, so onto perfume. This is probably going to be no surprise if you watched my Sephora haul. This is a Nest fragrance in Wisteria Blue. This bad boy I've been using pretty much every day. I haven't used it today because I haven't left the house. Did any of you like spray perfume, use perfume if you don't leave the house? Because I don't usually do that. But anyway, this is beautiful, this fragrance. I love the Nest fragrances, although this is I think that this is my first one that I've used, but I have smelt them on several occasions at the Sephora event. It's beautiful, it lasts all day. It is quite strong when you put it on, but every now and again you get a whiff of it and it just, oh, it's so beautiful. It's very, this fragrance is like, it's probably more typical for a spring kind of season. However, I feel that it's something that I can wear every day and it's gorgeous. It's not too heavy. This is the Balm Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. Mine is kind of like a little bit rank because I use it that often. I use this all the time, especially the shades Bright and Bodacious. This is definitely my favorite palette of the moment. It's so easy to use. The shadows are amazing. I wish that they were bigger, to be honest. You can get it from David Jones, Target, and online as well. I'll have it linked down below somewhere. So yeah, that is the Balm Nude Beach. Literally something that I use every day is this Savvy Lip Liner in Rose. It's $5 from Priceline and it's the best lip liner. I love the color of it. The only thing is it needs sharpening all the time because I use it all the time. It is so nice. If you haven't picked this up, I would highly recommend picking it up. It's just a perfect everyday nude. I love it so much. Now the beauty products, this one is the Klorane. This is their dry shampoo with oat milk. So it gives a little bit of volume when you use it. I am someone who washes my hair twice a week, so I love dry shampoo. And this one, yeah, I found I really do love it, especially if I'm getting ready for an event. I'll make sure my hair is like 2 or 3 days old since the wash. And this will just give it some volume, which I always need, let's face it. Yeah, it's great at clearing up my oils on my scalp and in my hair, and yeah. I know the Klorane can be a little bit more pricey than some, but I feel like, has Batiste bumped up their prices a little bit? I always make sure that I get it on sale. Yeah, I just get it at the supermarket on sale or Priceline on sale. But yeah, this is one that I would recommend trying if you're after a dry shampoo with a bit of volume. This next product is actually some hair extensions. Now this is the Zala One Piece Volumizing. So as you can see, it's just one piece of hair, like one hair extension. It's got 4 clips. This is the, what color is this? This is in the color Sunkissed, which is my usual color. Now I have just recently had my hair done, so my toner fades pretty quickly. I have been wearing these for the last couple of months. Because I lost so much weight so quickly, I lost a bit of hair. You wouldn't actually be able to tell, but it's growing back now. It's all fine. It's just because I lost 14 kilos in a couple of months, like honestly, and your body freaks out. It doesn't know what to do and it's just like, we don't need hair, see ya. So most of the time I would just wear this. I didn't wear it every day, but just having like that little bit extra of volume of hair just, you know, gives me a bit more confidence kind of thing. It just, I feel like fluffs out my hair a bit more, and it matches perfectly, and it's honestly the perfect length. As I said before, I just had my hair done the other day. Before I had it done, my own hair had grown out this one. Now I think, is this the 20 inch or the 16 inch? I can't remember what length this is. But yeah, I just feel like adding in that just made the world of difference. Some fashion items. I haven't actually worn this one, but I picked up 2 skirts from Dottie at the end of last year, and I've worn the absolute crap out of them. I have it in white and then a light blue, like a light wash. And this is it in black. Now, oh, it's a little bit hard to see on camera. I actually went in and bought them in all the other colors the other day because they're on sale for 20 bucks. Okay, so here's the medium blue. See how it's just got like that banding around the waist? I don't know, these are all in a size 12, 20 bucks. And they're just like a little mini skirt. I just feel like you can use these all year round, and the colors, like this is a really nice color for autumn, I was thinking. But then the black I can use in winter. I can put tights underneath it. I don't know if they're planning to bring these back, but honestly this style, it's like an A-line style. I feel like it suits me really well. It fits really nicely. There's not a lot of stretch to them, so maybe try them on, but they're not gonna be as stretchy as like jeans or, you know, I hope you get what I mean. They're just something that I have been living in over the summer. I love these skirts. I picked up these the other day. Target. How cute are these boots? I've only worn them once though, and they're kind of like creasing there. But so cute. They've just got little zips on the side, and I love this color. They just looked really cute. The only thing is they kind of rubbed back here and rubbed away my tan. I feel like they're gonna go with so many things. I prefer more light color shoes to dark color shoes. I think they were $39, but Target have a really great range of boots. You've got to get in there early though, because they do fly out the doors. I had to go hunting, and these are the last 6 left. One last thing, this Being Me cleanser from Kmart. Why did I say cleanser? It's a makeup brush cleaner. It's basically a sponge in a tin, and you take a dirty like eyeshadow brush in particular, it won't work with cream products, and you rub it in the sponge and it gets clean. I think it was only a couple of dollars, but I'm gonna recommend that you need this in your life. It's very similar to, I think that there's a more expensive brand sold at maybe Sephora called Color Switch or something. It's basically the same concept. So once the sponge is dirty, you just go and wash it, or you just turn it over, and it's good to go. I need to wash mine, so see ya. I want to mention a TV show, Real Housewives. I have been loving the Real Housewives show lately. Lately I've been catching up on the OC, but before that I caught up on New Jersey and then Beverly Hills, and now I'm up to the latest, well, the last season of the OC, so I haven't got too much to go to finish catching up, and then I'll probably move on to Atlanta. But I literally didn't watch it for years because I didn't have time, and now I've got, you know, I like to have a bit of chill time on the weekends and maybe after work, and also I was obsessed with Married at First Sight, but it's now over. Bachelor in Paradise is open, but I feel like the storyline is a little bit weak, so we'll see. I'll still watch it anyway. And I want to give a huge shout out to Hot Cross Buns from Woolworths. Look, haven't been exactly great on my keto lifestyle, but there's just, Easter is just, the hot cross buns get me. I think that is all of my favorites lately. I don't know. I do want to give a shout out to Facebook Messenger video chat. If you haven't got on there with a group of friends and chatted on there before, I would highly recommend doing it. It's so much fun. You all can catch up every day. I just talk to my friends on there a couple of times a week, and it's so fun. So if you haven't done that, I would highly recommend doing it. It's just super easy to talk, and yeah. So that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to know some things that you've been loving lately, whether it be a TV show, food, makeup, beauty, whatever. I feel like I'm so out of touch with all of these favorites and everything like that, but I'll try and do them more often, because I feel like sometimes in my videos I might use something and I don't even talk about it because I know that I love it, but if I don't tell you guys how I love it and why and do current favorites kind of thing, you know, you guys don't know either. Anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I hope you had a really lovely Easter with your friends and family. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.